Welcome to Dunya Echoes. I'm Sarah. Take a moment to find a comfortable place where you can let go and breathe freely. You're here to celebrate something truly special, your heart's capacity for gratitude. Let's start with a deep breath in. And slowly release. Allow your shoulders to drop and feel any tension melting away. This is your time. A gift to yourself. Today, we're focusing on gratitude. It's all around you. It's in the gentle rhythm of your breath, the warmth of this moment, and the endless possibilities within you. Repeat after me in your mind. I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for the person I am becoming. Feel the warmth of these words resonate within you. You are on a beautiful journey, and each day you're moving closer to the person you were meant to be. I am grateful for my strength and resilience. I am proud of my courage to grow. Yes, you have such strength within you. Life isn't always easy, yet you continue to shine, overcoming challenges with grace. How remarkable you are. I am grateful for the love I give and the love I receive. I am thankful for the connections that uplift and inspire me. You are surrounded by love in ways big and small. Feel gratitude for those who support you, and remember, you also bring light into their lives. You matter. In this moment, let yourself feel complete. You are enough, just as you are. Breathe that in and exhale. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back. Thanks yourself for being here, for taking this time for you. Carry this gratitude with you, and remember, each day holds new reasons to be thankful. You are incredible, and I am so grateful to share this moment with you. Thank you for being you. Until next time, take care and be kind to yourself.